Here are 30 travel tech gadgets and essentials that'll make your next trip way smoother. And yep, I actually use most of these myself. I used to travel with just one backpack, super simple, but now with 2 daughters, a different story. Here's what I'm packing for our next trip. Let's jump in. Let's start small, with the Tech Pouch. On the plane, this Aer Slim Tech Pouch is a total game changer. Everything you need stays within reach in the front compartment. Let me show you what I carry in here. MagSafe cables, super flat and thin design, built-in magnets that snap together, keeping it organized in my pouch. This one is also a really compact gadget. It's got dual magnets. It's meant to be a PC accessory, but I use it as a kickstand. Taurus Ultra Slim Power Bank. Let me tell you, this is really good. Lightweight, super thin. Look, 0.3 inches, and powerful enough to keep your devices charged on the go. The MagSafe design is so handy, just snap it on and you're ready. I believe this might be the thinnest portable charger on the market. I also carry this tiny 67-watt charger from ASUS. I really love this dark navy and yellow accent combo, and maybe though, the smallest GAN chargers out there. It's surprisingly powerful for the size. Impressive. My new favorite flashlight. Cool design, super bright, and has a built-in magnet. The magnet is quite strong, and of course, it charges via USB-C. MP3 player. Yep, I know, it sounds old school, but trust me, it's great for travel. It saves your phone battery. It's like a Spotify car thing. I really like this. It comes with Android 13 built in, so you can install YouTube or almost any app you want. This might be my favorite gadget in this video. Of course, Bluetooth works just fine, but I paired it with the KZ Duet cable for that extra sound quality. Crystal clear with deep bus and a nice overall balance. And for the price, wow. Plus, that transparent design looks awesome. They're lightweight, comfy, and perfect for everyday listening. And with this free app, you can play Nintendo games right on your iPhone. I even have a matching case. This app and setup are perfect for killing time on a plane. This case has 2 pieces that snap onto your phone. When you're using it as a case, both parts stay on the back. When you want to play, just flip the bottom piece to the front, instantly turning your phone into a retro handheld console. If you want to play Nintendo games on your phone, watch this video. This is a must-have for sure. AirFlyer Bluetooth transmitter. Plug it into the airplane C jack. I use my AirPods Pro 3 and Sony XM1000. The AirPods noise cancelling feels twice as strong as the Pro 2. And as you know, Sonys are damn good for comfort and silence. Makes long flights way better. Block pretty much all noises. Dope. When I travel, I usually leave my MacBook at home and just bring my iPad Mini 6. Paired with the Nilkin Cube Pocket foldable Bluetooth keyboard, it's basically a mini workstation. This keyboard's typing is surprisingly comfortable. This isn't just a travel gadget, it's a perfect everyday carry item as well. It weighs only 238 grams, folds down to 182 millimeters, and supports Bluetooth 5. It can pair up to 3 devices at once. I like black for tech gadgets, but this green, I think this is awesome. It's growing on me. I also bring a kickstand setup. The Lysen 360 magnetic phone holder sticks to any flat surface with its electric vacuum, releases with one button, and now you've got a floating setup for your phone or tablet. This MagSafe phone holder is amazing too. Just clip it to the tray table. Definitely you are going to have a better flight experience. So many people have asked me what this is and where I got it from. Oh, I highly recommend getting the Loop earplugs. I know, they're just earplugs, but these ones are seriously great. If you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to drop a like and maybe subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, now let's go with the main event, the Suitcase. For family trips, my go-to is the Level 8 Voyageur carry-on, and honestly, I really like this one. It's sturdy, lightweight, and the wheels glide so smoothly. It just feels solid. Traveling with kids, you need luggage that actually works, and this one totally delivers. What got me first was the design. It's sleek, modern, and has that smooth matte finish that looks premium without being flashy. I picked the black one, but they've got some really nice color options too. The branding is minimal, and it just feels good to roll around. I've never had a suitcase that looked and felt this good. The wide handle is another thing I love. It keeps the bag super stable when pushing, even on rough ground, and it makes lifting over curbs or stairs so much easier. It also has 4 height settings, so it's comfortable no matter who's using it. Inside, the layout is super practical. The compartments and straps keep everything neat, which is a lifesaver when packing for the whole family. Seriously, I really like it. I'd 100% bring this on every trip. Oh, and quick heads up, Level 8 is running their Black Friday promotion, site-wide 20% off from November 20 to December 1st. Perfect timing if you're planning any holiday travel. I'll drop the discount link and code down below, so don't miss out. At the hotel, these items make charging stress-free. First up, the Taurus FlexLine 67 watts retractable charger. It has a built-in 1 meter retractable cable that keeps everything clean. When you travel, you don't have to worry about finding or packing an extra cable. Seriously, this is so handy, which is more than enough for my MacBook, iPad, and iPhone. With 2 ports, I can charge 2 devices at the same time. Taurus tested it for over 10,000 pulls, so it's not one of those cables that wear out after a few trips. It also has smart temperature control, so even if you charge overnight in a hotel room, your devices stay safe from overheating. Honestly, I love how it fits right into my travel setup. Compact design, clean cable management, definitely one of those small gadgets that makes travel way easier. Orco Travel Power Strip. Oh, you are gonna love this. When you are staying at the hotel, you know how the outlets are always in the most random spots? Like behind the TV or under the desk? Yeah, annoying. That's why I always pack this. It's got a 4-foot cord, 4 outlets, plus USB-A and USB-C ports, so I can charge everything right where I want it. Honestly, I appreciate this thing every single trip. It's such a small gadget, but it makes a huge difference. In case you're wondering, the cable is about 4 feet long. Super convenient. If you travel internationally, you definitely need this. The Pick-a-Pulse 45 watts universal adapter. It's actually the #1 bestseller on Amazon. So you never have to worry about different plug types or carrying multiple adapters again. The 45 watts USB-C port can charge your MacBook, iPad, or iPhone. It's compact, premium feeling, and super travel friendly, perfect for hotels or airports. With built-in safety protection, you can charge confidently anywhere. Once you start using it, you'll wonder how you ever traveled without it. And yep, there's a discount code in the description if you want to grab one and make traveling a lot less stressful. There are lots of 3-in-1 chargers out there, but I really recommend this one for travel. This is the Anker MagGo 3-in-1 charger. It charges your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods all at once. The MagSafe keeps your iPhone in place, and you can even use it as a stand for watching videos or using standby mode. And the size is just perfect. Look how small it is. It barely takes up any space at all. And of course, it's fast, reliable, and safe. You know it's Anker, always high quality. If you travel and want a convenient charging setup, this is the one to get. This is a new gadget, so I haven't taken it on a trip yet, but check this out. Really good looking yet powerful power bank. It packs 10,000 mAh, comes with a built-in USB-C cable, super handy, and even has a power plug. And guess what? It features RGB lighting plus battery eco mode. If you're going ultra minimal, this is honestly all you need. So this next one is honestly one of the coolest travel gadgets I've ever used. This is the Orzen Zip Trifold Portable Projector, and look at this, it literally folds down into this tiny square. It weighs under 10 ounces, so it's perfect for travel. And the best part, you don't even need a tripod. You just unfold it, and the hinge is super solid. Shout out to the Hingineer who designed this thing. I use this at home too, but for traveling, it's amazing. Also perfect for camping. Okay, so it has a 5,000 mAh battery, which gives you around an hour and a half of watch time. Not a ton, but you can just power it with a power bank, so it's no problem. How you use it is super simple. You just mirror or cast from your iPhone, MacBook, or Android. Really easy. And this part is fun, it can even project vertically. Picture quality, it's not made for bright daylight, so it definitely works best in darker rooms. My ceiling light is a bit on the warm yellow side, but honestly, when it's dark, the image still looks really good. And look how thin this is. Yeah, for real. This thing is awesome. I'm sure I'm not the only one. You toss your stuff, like your hotel key card, on the desk or somewhere else, and then you lose them? Well, this solves that. Just drop your things in here, and at least you always know exactly where they are. This is one of my cheat travel techniques. Setup is really simple, just throw all your clothes in the bag. And then this. This vacuum bag saves tons of space and comes with a rechargeable wireless pump. No vacuum or outlet needed. Perfect for packing more clothes and keeping them neat and wrinkle-free. I've been using the Punk Cube for a while, and it's minimal, stylish, and super easy to use. I've always liked the matte black version because it's clean, but this Dune edition? Wow, it's next level. If it's something you carry every day, it has to look good and feel good in your hand, and this one nails it. Not sure which one will be my daily go-to yet, but for now, this Dune edition is definitely getting my attention. Oh, and it comes with a money clip if you want it. Plus, it works perfectly as a MagSafe wallet too. Next, a passport holder. Any passport holder works, but I highly recommend keeping an AirTag card with it. That way, you always know where your passport is, whether it's on you or in your bag. Super convenient and peace of mind while traveling. And check this out, a newer tripod for just $18. If you're like me and take lots of family photos but are rarely in them, this is a must-have for trips. And attach this to your tripod. It becomes a MagSafe mount. If you take photos or videos with your iPhone, this is a must-have. This got dual magnets, so just boom, snap it on and you're good to go. Definitely nice to have. You might appreciate this, especially when traveling. It's a sleek, minimal-looking hand sanitizer that I've been using lately, smells great, and gets the job done. So that's my family travel pack. Tech, luggage, and hotel essentials that really help. If you have a must-have travel item, drop it in the comments. And if this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.